Ebuka Obi that a setup is going on. A very terrible meeting is going on in Enugu State. Group of pastors, about 35 in number, they had meeting at a place in a house of a bishop at Ezagu, Enugu. They said that he left Lagos and East to come to Enugu and put sand in their eyes. They are cooking up a setup against Ebuka Obi. And when this setup comes, it will be terrible. I will back him in prayer for 30 days. It remained 5 months. God said people will run in Nigeria. I told them that God said all the fine houses in Lagos will be demolished. I told them that fire will be destroying different markets. And the people that will be sending the fire are the people selling tiger nuts. And they are being sent by evil people to destroy so many Igbo people in Lagos State. I told them that God said, all the markets in Lagos will experience it. And the first place is Alaba Furniture Place. After giving them the message, they say I lied, I gave them 1 month. After 22nd of September 2025, we enter 22nd of October 2025, and the fire burned there. They started calling me. Now, I love good things. I know that the problem of pastors are the same pastors. I love the way God is using Ebuka Obi to do things. Right from the time I watch him first time, which is this 2026 January, I brought out my time to watch him. I started crying, and I've been crying, telling God, I want to get to that level. I don't care if he's a man or not, but I want to get to that level. That is what I've been praying to God. Even this morning as I was praying, God said that a setup is going on. A very terrible meeting is going on in Enugu State. Group of pastors, about 35 in number, they had meeting at a place in a house of a bishop at Ezagu, Enugu. They said that he left Lagos and East to come to Enugu and put sand in their eyes. They are cooking up a setup against Ebuka Obi. And when this setup comes, it will be terrible. It will carry waves. Many of you that knows Nmagha know, Nmagha have never come out online and said, "Thus says the Lord," and it did not happen. I went to Lagos. I came to Lagos State last year, November. I went to a place called Cotonou. I told them that President of Cotonou will lose his seat, that help will come from where he least expected in Nigeria and help him. People said I lied. I gave them 1 month. It did not pass 2 weeks. The president of Cotonou had problem. To the extent they asked him to go down from the seat. If not the president of Nigeria, the man would have been very, very helpless. But God restored everything. There is going to be a terrible problem against Ebuka Obi. Even me that is here, I will embark on 30 days prayer. Because when you support good thing will come to you. I will back him in prayer for 30 days. I will back him so that God will also remember me and use me the way he's using him. Although there is an enemy in the house of God, but no matter how you hate your fellow minister, if you hate good thing will never come to you. Because what you sow is what you will reap. Thus says the Lord of hosts. It remained 5 months. God said people will run in Nigeria. He will show them that he is the Omini Himini Sabodini. The running will bring calamity inside government house. Many of you that knows Nmagha, check and know if God have ever lied to me before. Even God said to John the Baptist that the beast will come out from the river. People thought it will happen in that year or that week or that day. But God made it to be century prophecy. The prophecy God gave about Joseph and the brother, they thought it will happen that time, but it happened when they grow old. This particular one, I don't know when it will happen. But remember, God have never tell me something and it refused to happen. Get ready. Go and buy shoe. He that have ear, let them hear. Thus says the Lord of hosts.